Who's that?
Fish.
Fizz, what are we gonna do right now?
And we gonna unbox the packet and then we gonna color.
Yeah. We got some mail, right?
Yeah.
You guys, another day, another mail. So we have 3 packages today.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
I want to
So, Mama,
go
excuse
outside.
me.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, baby.
I want to play outside.
We can't because it just rained. It's very wet out there. Look. Mama can't go and play with you outside when it's wet, okay? Right? Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Very good. Come and sit and unbox with Mama. Want to see what's in this one? No, come and sit over here.
What should I do?
No, the toast can't open this one. Go and sit here, please. Okay. You want to open this one for Mama? Oh. Ooh. Sit. Oh. Camera is blurry. Okay, there we go. So this one is from Auntie Priscilla, and this is so cute that she sent me this picture.
Mama.
Wait, Tyler, come and sit.
Sister have the same like you.
She have the same like me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a headband. Come and sit around here.
May I do this packet for you when you're ready for it?
This onesie says, Daddy says I'm not allowed to date like ever. Well, Daddy, reality of the fact is it will happen. But isn't this cute? So cute. You like it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now let's open this one.
Okay, let's do this one.
I'm gonna keep this one for you.
Aww.
No, see me, I take it out.
Okay, you take it out. You can put this one down. Oh my gosh. This outfit was on our registry and Elaine ordered it.
Look here, man.
So this is the headband. A pink cute headband. And this is the onesie. And it's crazy because the flowers on this is the exact same flowers on her wall. Isn't that cute? So adorable. Okay.
Let's open this one.
Picking up the garbage. All right, this one.
I put in the garbage here. It's me, I take it out.
Okay. What is it?
I touch it.
Oh, and the ointment, and this is from my girl Shanique. I know spot on who this is from. So I got Shanique, Elaine, and Priscilla today. So thank you, ladies. Y'all forever sending me love. Love you guys so much, and thank you for every single thing. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Right. Yes.
Can I spend it?
Hmm?
Can I smell it?
Say morning, faves. Look at the faves. Say morning, faves. Hi, faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Tyler, come around here. Come this side. Come and bring your step around here. You guys, starting off the vlog this morning with packages. When the packages come, I just have to start the vlog right away if I didn't start it as yet. This package, okay. If you guys remember,
It's happy.
yes, but you don't scream and do like that. Am I talking, okay? If you guys remember a few months ago, I got a surprise from a Jamaican. We're going to, but you wait until I'm finished, okay?
We're going to go fantasy.
Okay, go on. If you guys remember a few months ago, a Jamaican in Belgium surprised me with a box of Jamaican goodies, which I still have going. Her name is Kimberly, and Kimmy and I has been.
I'm not unboxing.
You wait. So there was one particular thing that hit me in the package that I've never seen before, and it was fish soup, and it was so good. And I messaged her to ask her where she got it, and she asked me if I would like some more. I'm like, I don't want to. Wait, baby, I still come. I'm like, girl, I don't want to bother you. She said, it's no bother. Do you want some more? I said, yes, I would appreciate it. So here goes 2 more boxes. I know this package was coming. I am expecting the fish tea, but I don't know what else is in here. So here goes Kimmy's package. I'm gonna unbox it right now.
Me too.
With Ty, because he's been waiting to unbox it. And before we even go ahead and unbox it, I just want to tell Kimmy, thank you, Kimberly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you know the funniest thing about Kimberly is that after she sent her first package and we've been talking online, we found out that we went to high school together. We went to high school together, and she left my high school a year before me. That's crazy. Small world. Amazing. Take your hand from under there. So let's open Kimmy's package and see what she sends me. And Kimmy's a girl like this. When she sends in box, her box is huge, because I wasn't expecting 2 boxes. It's like the first package she sent. I wasn't expecting what was in it. And this time, honey, is no difference. I tell you, my subscribers, my faves, my fam, you guys are amazing. You guys are the best.
Mama,
that's all I have to
Mama,
say. You're opening it from that side?
Yeah.
You guys are just amazing. And I'm sending you guys the love and the blessings right back to you. Move your hand, pumpkin, because you guys didn't have to do this. You didn't have to do not one bit of it, but out of the kindness and the goodness of your hearts, you find it and go out of your way to buy me things and send me packets and goodies. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, Ty, wait, because this unboxing is about to get interesting. Wait, Tyler, I'm gonna put it back right there, okay? Because I want the faves to see what's in Kimberly's box. And she popped this box like a real Jamaican. Okay, so in here we have wipes. Ta-da! Your favorite Kim. Tyler love cheesies. So there goes he find cheesies. Ah, we have baby girl socks in here. What's this one? Oh my gosh, this underwear for Tyler. Tyler, this is yours.
Yeah.
Wait, don't pack them out here. Put it here. Tyler already put in his cheeses in the snack section. Oh my gosh. Wait, Ty, wait. This is underwear for you.
Yeah.
Say thanks, Auntie Kimmy.
Thanks, Auntie Kimmy.
So, a top for baby girl. It says, because my dad is the best number fan. Look at this. So cute. Let's see this one.
Yeah.
Oh, another top for baby girl. What's this one? Oh, shorts for baby sister tie. Another shorts for baby sister. So cute. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. This is a 7-color changing night light for baby girl. So cute. I remember Tyler had one of these. So cute. More snack for you. Tyler loves cheesies.
Yeah.
She sent a compartment eating bowl for baby girl. So cute. It has spoon and it have different sections in it. What is this one? Ah, top for baby girl. So cute. What's this one? Underwear for tie. Yeah. Ooh. Top for baby girl. So cute. I love it. Love the colors. Look at these little shorts. So cute. Oh my god, Kimmy went all out. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute little dress. So cute.
Kimmy said everything.
Yes, Auntie Kimmy.
Auntie Kimmy. No,
Look, it's a headband to match the dress tie. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at this one tie. Wow. Tie. Come. Look. That's a cute little dress. So adorable. And what is this one tie? Let's see. Wait, tie. Wait, baby. Let's see what this. It says, I think this is like a diaper bag, like for the bin. And it have 100 in it. It looks so adorable. And this one, oh, Ty, look, superhero underwear for Tyler. Yeah. Oh, spoons to go with this. A baby sister. Yeah. Look, what's this one? What's this? Socks for baby girl. Oh, more cheesies. Seem like Kimmy no tie because Tyler loved these. Yesterday he ate one. Okay, this is the fish soup that I've been telling you guys that was in the first package that I love. In love with it. And I didn't know that Grace sell it. I had no idea. So she sent me in Grace brand this time. But it was a tropical sun that was in her last package. Ah, she sent me festival mix this time. And she sent me more fish tea because this is what I had really wanted. So thank you, Kimmy. Thank you. Okay, one box done. Oh my god. I feel like I'm just gonna cry. I'm getting so emotional.
Mama.
I'm getting really emotional. I'm trying to keep it together. No, we're gonna put these over here so we can open this one, okay?
Okay.
I am honestly trying to keep it together.
For me.
It looks yummy for you?
Yeah. I love cheesy, right?
You love cheesy. Aren't we blessed, Ty?
Yeah.
And we are grateful, right?
Yeah.
You guys really want me to cry. Oh, I'm getting so emotional. Oh my god.
Cry, Mama.
I'm trying not to. Oh, I'm getting so freaking emotional.
Don't be sad.
I am not sad. It's happy tears, you know?
Yeah.
It's not sad tears. It's happy tears. Because you guys didn't have to do this. All I told her that I wanted was fish tea. And she sent me two boxes of things for baby girl and a enough for tired. This is just crazy. Oh, you guys. Kimmy, you're amazing. Thank you. So you sent a lot and we are grateful.
You said a lot and we grateful.
Right, and thank you. So thank you, Auntie Kimmy.
Thank you, Auntie Kimmy, for Anna.
Yes. And you guys have been crying so early in the morning. Oh,
Don't cry.
I am trying not to, but it's hard. But just know that when Mama cries, happy tears, okay? It's not because she's sad. She's not sad at all.
Mama.
Yes? You gonna help me open it? Okay. Let's see what's in this one.
I do the dot. Mama.
I can't believe the amount of things Kimberly sent me.
One. Paper. Scissors. Shoes.
Shoot.
Shoes.
Can you believe the amount of things Kimberly sent, Tyler?
Yeah.
My gosh. This is so nice, right?
Yeah.
I mean, when I asked her where she got the fish tea from, she said that, would you like to have some more? I can send it to you. I'm like, girl, no. You sure? Don't go out your way. She's like, no, it's not going out my way because I go to this place to buy Jamaican goodies for myself too. So when I go there, I'll pick up some for you. So she asked me what else I want, and I tell her that no, there's nothing else that I want because I still have things from what she sent me. So I honestly was expecting the fish tea, but I wasn't expecting 2 boxes of Jamaican things. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. More cheesies. You're happy. Oh my gosh. Ovaltine. Oh my gosh, and she's showering me with fish tea. More fish tea. Oh my gosh. Hold on, Ty. Hold on. I'm trying to organize everything. Hold on, Ty. It's so many things. It's so much. Yeah. So we have more fish tea. We have cookies and cheeses galore, and these won't go to waste because Tyler loved these and Tyler loved the cookies. He also loved Ovaltine. Babe loved the Ovaltine too. Fish tea. I have fish tea for days. Yes. Fish tea. Oh my gosh, she sent me more Aki. Oh my gosh. She sent me coffee. Instant coffee. You know how long I don't see instant coffee? She sent me crackers. Oh my gosh. More cheesies on top of cheesies on top of cheesies on top of cheesies. Dragon stout. I shall make some strong blend for babe. Wait, Kimmy, you sound like you want me to have baby number 3, huh? Thank you. Jeez, more cheesies. More cheesies. Oh my god, she sent me banana chips, and I still have so many banana chips from what Kenisha sent me. But what? You won't go to waste. Thank you, Kimmy. Banana chips. Jeez. Ovaltine. More fish tea. Ovaltine. Yes, she sent me curry. Yes. Because I can't get curry here any at all. I've been searching for curry for months, and just when I lost hope, she had sent the first box, and I still have curry from that box. And see, she said more curry. How much? How can I complain? on time. You guys don't understand. Oh my gosh. More fish tea. And she said Aki like crazy. Oh my god, Kimmy even said me rose water. Thanks, Kimmy. Aki. Oh my gosh. Hot pepper sauce. And she sent me hot pepper sauce in the last one that I've been killing lately. And this is the big one that I've never seen before. I didn't even know that this exists. Oh, awesome. More curry. Yes, Kimmy. Look like Kimmy know me all too well. And we haven't even talked about this. Oh my god. Manish water. I didn't even know that this exists. Oh gosh. More cookies, cheeses, fish tea. She went in on the fish tea, okay? Fish tea. Cheeses. She really stuck up on them cheeses and Ovaltine. Oh my gosh, thank you, Kimmy. Pumpkin soup. Jesus have mercy. Look at fish tea. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? Ram it up. I haven't tried this one as yet. She had sent me one of this in the first package, but I haven't tried it as yet. Ovaltine. More fish tea. Oh yes, she stocked me up on curry. Yes! Kimmy, you're paying attention to the vlogs, man. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god, Kimmy sent me so much fish tea. Something fell. Go and take up something. She sent me callaloo. I've been wanting. I'm not gonna about to cry again. I'm not gonna cry. His pregnant hormones need to calm down. I've been wanting to try this online. I saw it on Amazon UK. It's around that side. I saw it on Amazon UK.com and I saw somebody eat it on Instagram. And I asked them how it tastes and they say it tastes normal, but I've been hesitant to buy it. And look, Kimmy sent me one. So I'm definitely gonna try it. Definitely gonna make it. Okay, let's empty out this box. And she sent me more seasoning. She had sent me seasoning the last time, so many of it. My gosh, I can't believe the amount of things Kimberly sent me. Jesus. Kimberly, I heard that you shall receive blessings. Blessing in abundance. 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 Look at all this. Oh my gosh.
Wow! It's so much to eat.
Yeah. It's a lot, right? Oh, oh my gosh. Look at all of this. This is unbelievable. This is crazier than the first box Mama, that she sent.
Mama.
Yes, baby?
Sauce, pepper, hot sauce. And you know that is like, I think that is like our bowl.
This is crazy. Thank you, Kimmy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. For everything. I appreciate every bit. Every bit. I love baby girl outfits. Hold on. And thank you for Tyler little goodies too in the mix. Thank you, and thank you for all my Jamaican goodies. Love you so much from the deepest part of my heart. I appreciate every bit.
Mama,
every bit.
Mama,
Every bit. Thank you.
Mama.
Oh my gosh.
Mama.
Yes, Tyler?
Let's put some stuff in there.
Yes, we're gonna pack some stuff in here and we're gonna put back some stuff in the box and put them up there for storage, okay?
Okay.
Alright. You guys, just take a close-up shot. Get down, Mama is gonna go there. Come, let me give you guys a close-up shot of everything. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that tie. Wow, that's a lot. Look at all these fish tea, you guys. Look at all these fish tea.
And look at that. This is
Curry.
tea.
Tyler love cheesy.
Yes.
Love cheesies.
Mama.
And that. And Callaloo. Callaloo that I've been dying for.
I think I'm gonna cry.
Who's gonna cry? You gonna cry? Why are you gonna cry?
Because the person said to Aya.
The person sent a lot. You're happy?
How many cheesy daughter?
There's a lot. Look, Aki. Oh my God. Ovaltine. She sent dragon. She sent rose water, festival mix. Look at all this fish tea. Oh my gosh. Nightlight for baby girl, underwear for Ty. All these clothes. That's crazy. Ah, I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed beyond anything I could ever imagine in this life. Thank you, Kimberly. You're a real one. Thank you so much. Love you.